In this quick video, I will share the exact strategy that we used to get over 47 clients and generate $8,800 in monthly recurring revenue in the past 7 days, and hopefully you can copy it and do it as well. So the first thing I want to say is that we generated this in 7 days, but we didn't start this whole business in 7 days. So I didn't start from complete zero. I was just like going to university or something, and then in 7 days we are generating this, right? No. So what we have been doing, let me quickly explain. So hopefully by the end of this video you can learn what to do and focus on that. And if you do that, I promise you can get similar or even better results if you put in the work. So the number one thing that we have done in the past months is I've been posting content online, right? I've been posting content on my YouTube channel, I've been posting content on Instagram, on Twitter, and other places, right? So it's content. So the next thing that I've been doing is I've been creating a community on Skool, a free community, which is called achievegreatness.com, and we basically help their people for free. So we help them to grow their audience, to make more money online, get more clients, and I started helping people for free and over-delivering and adding goodwill, right? Then what I did is I started getting feedback from people on what they want, right? So feedback, what they want to see, what are their goals, what are their problems, what they would like to see more from me, etc., etc., right? So I started paying attention to feedback, and then finally I decided to create a great product, which is a paid community, and I put a lot of effort into creating it and making it really good and giving amazing bonuses with some scarcity and urgency and focusing on actual customer results, client results, right, and experience. Because I've seen Alex Hormozzi talk about this all the time in the Skool Games recordings, if you know what that is. And yeah, I've been focusing on these two things, right? Now, what happened next is the first people that joined started getting results, right? The first couple of days, even couple of weeks, they already started getting results. And what happened next? We started getting referrals and clients, right? So we had even one client that brought us over 20 clients. So one client that is happy can tell to a lot of people, and we literally got 20 extra clients from just this one client because they got an amazing experience, they wanted to share it with others, and others joined as well. So that's kind of the old strategy that we have done. I know that it's not as step-by-step simple as you would like to see, and it's just a high level, but this is exactly what we have done. We literally posted content online, we started a free community where we over-delivered for months and helped people, then we saw what people want more, then we created an amazing paid community and we put effort into it to make it good. The first people joined, they started getting results and they started having amazing experience and they started referring to more people, and all of these people came from just organically, from the free community or from referrals. We haven't started ads, we haven't pushing this ourselves on social media. On social media, we only have been sending people to the free community, and this is exactly how we've done it. So what you can do, right, if you're getting started from zero, just pick something that you're actually interested in, curious about, that also has a product market fit, which means other people are selling that successfully, right? The market wants that product, the market wants to buy, there is a need for that, right? So it's not that you solve a problem that no one cares about. Whatever is your niche, people care about that niche, and ideally others are successful with that too, right? So if you have that, the next step is you literally post content online every single day for months and months, and you just stack goodwill, you send people to a free community. In the free community you over deliver, then you ask people what they want more, then you do a launch, and then you keep working on the product. Once it's good, people are happy, people tell others, and then if you add gas to the fuel, it can grow even more. So this is exactly how I've done it. Now I'm not saying this is the only way or this is the right way, I'm just sharing that this is what we have done. So if this inspired you, if it helped you, I'm glad so, and yeah, wanted to wish you all the best. And the only last thing I will tell you is that this wasn't just like magically like this overnight. There were days that I didn't want to post content and I did it anyway. There were days that I didn't want to engage in the free community, but I did it anyway. There were days that for months and months and months, I didn't know what my niche is gonna be. So you go through struggles, you go through difficulties, but if you keep on going, you are gonna make money with Skool. That's just a promise. There's no way. The only way to lose is gonna be to quit. So please keep going, no matter at what stage you are at. Be impatient with your actions and be patient with the results. And I'm sure one day you will get there as well, to here or even further. Hope you are doing great, wishing you all the best, and I will see you soon. Cheers.